Hey everyone, Robin Sweet from Autogeek. Today I'm here at P&S headquarters in Hayward, California, and I'm joined by Sydney Gwynn, and we're going to talk about the Reset Clay Towel.
Yeah, well thanks for being here, Robin. I am really excited about this product. This is a product that I use in my shop every single day. So it's something that is very important to me, that it works really well and works with the products. And so my first way that I use it is with the paint gloss. Okay. So if I'm doing like a coating or just wanting to remove contamination from the paint, I will just use the paint gloss, which is an amazing clay lube. And so it has some cleaning ability, light cleaning ability, works really well with the clay towel. My favorite way to use it though is with bead maker. Okay. So what I do in my shop, and I do this if I'm not doing a coating, I'm doing what I call a wash clay seal. So that is where I wash the car, I leave it wet, and then I grab my clay towel, a bottle of bead maker, soak the panel with bead maker, and clay it.
I love that. I've heard you say before, exfoliate. So
yes.
You're exfoliating the paint.
Exfoliating the paint, yeah. So it's kind of a spa-like feel. But what this does is it removes the contamination and it gives the bead maker a really good surface to bond with. So I find that in this case, not only does it help emphasize all the qualities of bead maker, like the gloss and the shine and all that, but I noticed that the protection lasts a lot longer. Oh, wow. Okay. So it just, like most of my customers, when they come in, they think I've actually polished their car.
So this is your tool to get that really clean, really sleek feel to it, to add your protection at the same time.
Yeah.
So tell me about the process of how you would use the towel here.
Yeah, so for me, and primarily in my shop, I do mostly rinseless wash. So mine lives in my bucket of rinseless water. Now you certainly can take it out, let it dry, roll it up is the best storage. But I just leave it in a bucket of water and it does great. Wash the car, still wet, I don't dry it, spray it, clay, and the clay towel goes right back in the bucket for the next car.
And so the process of using the towel is you keep it folded like this in fours?
I don't, I usually have it in half. So sometimes I'll have it in four, but usually it's just in half and that fits my hand, and really you can use it however you're comfortable, but I like it in half because then I can flip it.
Gotcha.
Before maybe rinsing it out. So,
and that was going to be my next question. How often are you rinsing it out? Do you do panel at a time, a couple swipes at a time, then rinse it in your rinse bucket?
Usually a couple panels, honestly, and it depends too on how dirty the car is. So if there's not a ton of contamination, I'll do a couple panels, but it's just a quick dunk and
great,
easy.
On to the next.
Yeah.
So what about if I drop this on the ground? Because everybody hears if you drop clay, it's no good. What about these towels?
So I just stick it back in the rinseless. I mean, the rinseless does such a great job. It's going to pull all of the contamination and debris out of that towel. So
awesome. Okay, and so then when you're done claying, do you use these towels here to dry off, to wipe off? Okay.
Yep. So I'll either use a drying towel, or these are what we call the bead maker towel. They're orange FTWs, and they do a great job. And there's not a ton of water left. You've kind of used the water and the bead maker working together in that process, so it makes the car really easy to dry too. So that's kind of a big benefit.
Great. So easy tool, easy products to use.
Yeah.
Choice of which one you want to work with, and different results for both.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for all the information on that.
Yeah.
If you need more information on this product and others from P&S, you can visit autogeek.com.